In 2011, Mini did something wild. They created the most extreme model ever with the Mini Coupe. But then they went further, and before production even debuted, they turned it into a race car and took it to the most extreme race in the world, the 24 hours of the Nurburgring. This is that story.
We feel it's a great car, we have fun, it was fun to develop the car.
It was a completely bespoke race car, and that meant everything ground up was meant for this race. It even had a semi-automatic manual transmission, and it was a completely new build. And then came the race. The 24 Hours of Nürburgring is the most extreme 24-hour race in the world. It's the kind of track that you could get there and it might be raining. 20 minutes later, it might be sunny. Later in the night, it might be snowing. You never know. And true to form, this race was particularly difficult. Within 5 laps, one of the Mini Coupes actually slid off the track due to an oil spill and spent quite a bit of time in the pits. The other soldiered through the field, but the class that they entered was incredibly competitive this year. And on top of that, weather was rather difficult. And then, of course, there's racing into the night at the ring. The green hell, as they call it, is particularly dangerous at night, with faster cars coming up behind you, slower cars in front of you, and the undulations and turns just endless. You have to remember, this is a 17-mile-long track that was designed in the 1920s. Still, the Mini Coupes, both of them, were running at this point and doing rather well. They had a lot of ground to make up, and they did do that. But ultimately, they fell short of winning or even placing on the podium within their class. But in truth, what they were after was experience. And what they were after was simply finishing the night and finishing the race. You have to remember, this was a test bed. These cars were still not in production, and they were really trying to see how far they could take everything. And of course, the other secret, this was the precursor to the JCW GP. And that GP was going to be, at this time, not just the hatch as we know it, but the F58 Coupe as well. And so Mini, in their minds, were successful.
The next project is the serious start of the coupe, of the Mini Coupe, on the Frankfurt Motor Show in autumn. We're very much looking forward to it. Whether we have another endurance race, we don't know at the moment. After this success, we might consider it, but first we concentrate on the launch of the Mini Coupe.
Mini saw this as a success. They finished 8th in class and 10th in class after some turmoil. Shearer Motoring finished 34th overall, an incredible feat. But Mini never raced these cars again, which is a real shame. That said, they would return to the ring and eventually won their class in 2024.